After attending Asset Accelerator, I feel
confident.
More confident.
More knowledgeable.
More prepared.
Inspired.
Grand. Empowered.
I feel empowered. I feel educated in what we need to do next.
excited,
Excited and optimistic.
Invigorated.
rejuvenated,
Pumped.
I feel motivated.
Motivated.
Ready to go home and make some money.
Class has been a little eye-opening for me.
A lot of opportunities can come from this.
Everybody sings your praises.
Even I, with my experience, have been able to take some things away.
There's just a lot of great ideas, a lot of best practices.
I could see this helping me in my career.
I think Matt's been phenomenal.
I really like Matt.
Matt controls a room. He commands presence.
I've learned a lot from him.
He's related a lot of stories of what he did as a financial advisor.
He's not someone that's memorized a bunch of material. He knows the stuff inside and out.
I think Matt's done a really good job of saying, hey, look, these are things that our other advisors have used and been successful with it.
He's able to go deep when the class wanted to go deep on a topic, but also when people were ready to move on, he's prepared to do that.
I would say it's an investment in yourself. All of our clients have made investments of one kind or another. Why shouldn't we?
You can never gather too many assets in this business and share ideas.
I think we should really pour money into the things that make us better advisors and make more happy clients.